If you don't feel natural on camera and want to connect with your audience on a deep level, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 steps that will help you do exactly that. Step number 1, you probably already know this, but don't script your videos, speak from the heart. Now you can script your intro a little bit maybe, or you can write bullet points on what you're gonna say next, but don't script your videos. The reason is you need to speak from your heart. When you speak from your heart naturally, viewers can feel that. When you read off of a script, you won't be the same. You can just tell that it doesn't connect well with the audience. There's more robotic feeling to the video when you're reading off of a script. There's more stiffness. There is lack of personality. As humans, we used to sit by the campfire, tell stories to each other, and we did not script those stories. We just used to tell stories with the aim of connecting with the other person that's sitting beside us. And that is the energy you want to bring into your videos. Don't aim for perfectionism. Speak from your heart. Say what's true to you. That is what helps you connect with your audience. Which brings me to step number 2. And that is, if you don't know what your dream viewers' pain points, desires, and dreams are, then you will have a hard time connecting with the person. One of the most important things you can do for your YouTube channel as an entrepreneur or a creator is write down and study what your dream viewer is like. Because when you know what type of viewer watches your channel, then you know about their pain points, you know about their desires, you know about what they like, what they don't like. And when you know all of these things, you can speak on camera while keeping those pain points and desires in your mind. And when you do that, your viewer feels that you are talking to them. So that helps significantly. That helps you connect with your audience on a very deep level. One of the biggest mistakes you can do on your channel is not knowing who you're speaking to. Which brings me to step number 3. Now, even if you apply the previous 2 steps, but if your nervous system does not feel safe expressing itself on camera, then your delivery is gonna be stiff and unnatural. So, you need to practice feeling safe on camera. And one of the best things to practice feeling safe on camera is turn on your camera and speak about the thing that makes you exciting. Be yourself, but don't post that video. Our goal is simply that we just wanna make our nervous system feel familiar with talking to camera. And over time, your nervous system will feel that this is actually safe. Talking to camera is actually safe. And then you bring that energy into your actual YouTube videos, which you're gonna post. This is one of the best things you can do to make your nervous system feel safe on camera. And when you feel safe and natural on camera, expressing your true self, then viewers connect with you. They build a parasocial connection with you. They come back to your channel more. They may buy things from you if you sell something, or even if you're just a creator, it helps you connect with your audience and build a loyal following. I had a previous channel that I grew to more than 500,000 views, but I could not build a loyal audience on there. The reason was I wasn't showing my true personality. My videos were not memorable. So speak from your heart, show your personality. That is what's memorable. That is what helps you connect with your audience. If you want to jump on a one-on-one call with me, it's a 45-minute call. I will look at your channel before we talk, so I can know what's wrong in your speaking, what to fix it. If you want that, there is a link in the description below. And if you want to know the 6 biggest mistakes creators make on camera, then you should click and watch this video next. I worked really hard on this video, and this can actually help you not make the mistakes that many creators make when they speak on camera. So here it is.